nigga. Live your life, bitch. Live your life to the fullest, no matter what, man. Look, be happy. Don't worry about nothing that's going on in this world at all. Live your life. Be in love. Be happy.
Hey.
What? Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Will you what, nigga? Till the end. What you what, bitch? Till the what, bitch? What you what, nigga? Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Till the end. I bet cool, I don't know. Look, will you be mine? I know you on the grind, I know you tryna shine. You looking like, damn, this nigga really rap, this nigga really rhyme, and that is no cap, that is a fact. Looking like, damn, this nigga really strong. Looking like, damn, this nigga really buff. Looking like, damn, this nigga going through pain. Looking like, damn, I know that nigga tough. I need somebody by my side, I'm going through pain, all I could do is cry. Looking like, damn, nigga, why you sad? Looking like, damn, nigga, why you depressed? Looking like, nigga, protect my past. I was going through things dealing with an ex. Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Till the end. Hey. Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Will you be mine? Hey, to the end forever. I just want us to win. I know you walk through the weather. I know you try not to give in. I know you going through some things, but I am by your side to the end of time. To the end of time. Just know that I'm by your side. To the end of time. To the end of time. To the end of time. Just know that I'm by your side. Only if you'll be mine. Only if you be mine. Just know that I'ma ride. I'ma ride if you gon' ride, and I'ma slide if you gon' slide. I know she ain't gon' really die, but if she bout to die, then fuck it, I'ma die. Cause baby, I love you, know I'm not about to slide. If she gon' slide, then I'm sliding. If they won't die, then we dying. If she crying, then fuck it, I'm crying. You know I'm by your side, baby, I ain't lying. You know I ain't leaving, I ain't about to leave your ass fucking bleeding. I know niggas lied, I know niggas hurt you. Looking like, damn, you didn't fucking deserve it. Going through pain wasn't really worth it. But it's okay. Cause I just really need you to say that you gon' be mine to the end, and that you gon' stay until I win. Cause will you be mine till the end? Be mine.